Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial I will show you how you can save your messenger story to your phone gallery or like photos or albums. So let's get started. Open up your messenger app and log into your account and connect with the good internet to download your story. So whenever you click on the story at the bottom, and you will comes in setting your stories, and you have to simply click on your story, and you will see over here on the top three dots over here. Click on that, and then you will see this pop-up menu over here. So simply click on save, and it's gonna be saved in your gallery. So as you can see on the top, pop-ups over here saved. So whenever you go to your albums or like photos, you will find your story over there. If you have edited your story on the messenger, so you can check it out there. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and share this video with your friends, and comment below if you want more tips and tricks videos or like tutorials. I can make it for you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.